It takes a special breed to be a truck driving man, and a steady hand to pull that load behind.
So this just happened yesterday. Ain't that great? You know, we're just having a terrible time keeping these tires aired up, and I'm assuming it's these no good O-rings. Nothing is made worth a hoot anymore. Rubber's terrible, just terrible. So I'll have to see if I can get it to start and get it up off the ground. See if I can get her aired up. It's broke in there. It's got to come off. Go to the shop, get welded. First things first, I gotta have some hearing protection so I don't go deaf. Let's see, what else did I need here? Oh, I gotta get rid of this camera mount, put a magnet on. There we go. Alright. What I really need is I need a new ring. Those are in bad shape, so I don't really think it was the O-ring. I think the rim's cracked and it's leaking, so it's been repaired on the machine too many times. Time to take it off and repair it from the inside. Okay, I gotta go get the forklift and a bucket. This is messed up. That's broke. Something fierce there. And then look at this. She broke here. all the way around here. Holy moly. Chick's gonna hate me. I think they break because of that big rubber. And when you try to crab them in a tight spot, stuck, whatever, it's just too much push on them. I think I just need a new rim. Wonder what that'd cost. Lots of money. Yeah, boy. And it's all the way through here. That's where it's got to be leaking. Okay, for the inside, I think I'll let Jake take the plasma cutter and gouge it out. I don't think... Oh, I was gonna drop this on the ground. Come on. Let me show you what's going on in here. So you can see this has been repaired many times, but always from the outside, and a lot of goobery different welds. That one looks terrible. That's big blobs of crap. This one's too much weaving. You shouldn't do that because you pull the wheel. You just gotta gouge it out or grind it out and re-weld it. I don't know what we're gonna do with it. It'd be best just to buy a new wheel, I think. Jake can fix it. I'm sure he can. He'll just gouge out this crap and redo it. So I got the tire in here warming up and stretching the bead out. That way you don't have to use a ton of Murphys to get them mounted. Where it sat flat and it came off the bead, it's going to make it tough to get it on. But I've ground out these spots. These were the worst right here. These were cracked bad. I think that's where the air was going. So this has been welded by the previous owners several times. Most all of those wheels on the tandem drives out there have been welded in a spot or two. One of the things about a motor grader with articulation, you got this great big rubber, is if you articulate and you're not moving, puts a horrendous stress on those wheels and they tend to break out. What I really need is some brand new ones, if I could find them. I think I asked Kat about that, but they wanted a small fortune. I can't even buy the outside ring from them because it updates, and the update tells you got to buy the whole wheel. So I think they have the deal around there that is to protect you. It's the cage around that to keep the lock ring from coming out. But I got an aftermarket place that I bought a bunch of stuff from for the 37s. So maybe I'll try them. See if I can get whole, complete wheels, or at least that piece. Just something that isn't as wore out. Well, winter's back. A little bit. Wonder how much snow we'll get. I really need to go work on my snowmobiles and go snowmobiling. But I want that car out of the shop. I want that done. So I'm sticking to the car. Anyway, love this cat nightlight that KT Fleeman sent me. Keeps the Challenger nice and safe at night. Hey, I can't remember who sent me this Jegs bolt kit, but this has been one handy tool. I want to thank you for sending this to me because I use it all the time, and I'm using it on the Challenger today. I needed some 1032, 1024 hex nuts to ground my wires in the trunk, and I couldn't find any, and then I thought, wait a minute, let's go check that bolt kit. Sure as heck's got everything in it I need. This is awesome. Thank you very much for this.
It's all right.